Hello and welcome. This is Miss Tabassum. Today I am going to start a new topic of English grammar, that is nouns. So let's get started. Here it goes. Nouns. What is noun? Noun is a word that contains person, place, thing, or an idea. Now let's see the definition of noun. Nouns are the names of people, animals, places, things, ideas, and groups. To make you understand this, let's look into the example of each. You must be knowing about this man. Yeah, he is the captain of Indian cricket team, Virat Kohli. And who is he? A person. What about this place? Yes, Red Fort. Books, pen, pencil, eraser. This comes under the category of things. And this image shows knowledge or wisdom, which is an idea. Hope you are clear with these categories. Nouns are basically classified into proper nouns and common nouns, collective nouns, concrete nouns and abstract nouns, material nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, possessive nouns. So let's start. Common nouns are general names of people, animals, places, or things. These names are common to everyone belonging to a particular group. Examples: the sheep grazing in the field belonged to my uncle. The students listened attentively while the teacher explained the lesson. In the very first sentence, sheep, field, and uncle are common nouns, whereas in the second sentence, students, teacher, and lesson are common nouns, as these talks about general names. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, or things. Examples: Shara, Jen, and Daisy go to Silver Oak School in Bangalore. Here, Sarah, Jane, Daisy are the name of three individual students, and that's why we have written it with capital letter, and these are proper nouns. Silver Oak School is the name of a particular school which is situated in Bangalore, and Bangalore is the name of a particular city. The Mesopotamian civilization developed on the banks of the Tigris and the Euphrates. Tigris and the Euphrates are the names of two rivers. Always remember that proper nouns begins with capital letters. A common noun is basically a general noun, and a proper noun is a name given to a specific individual. In this chart, on the right hand side are the name of proper nouns, whereas on the left are common nouns. As you can see, the very first one is boy. Boy is a common noun. It can mean any boy, but on the right hand side you can see some names: Arif, Krishna, Sachin, Michael, Ronaldo. These are the names of individual persons, and thus these are proper nouns. Girl is a common noun, and when we give some names to the girls, then these are proper nouns like Radhika, Deepika, Aishwarya, Teresa. City and country, these are common nouns. But when we mention the names of the cities or the countries, then they are proper nouns. Like India, Egypt, France, Germany, UK, USA. These are the names of few countries. Whereas Kolkata, Delhi, Dhaka, Tokyo, London, Moscow are the name of few cities. Remember that proper noun always begin with a capital letter. When we talk about an university in general, we call it a common noun. And that's why you can see that it is written with small letters. But when we are talking about any specific university like University of Delhi and Oxford University, notice that both the U of the university and D of Delhi are capital. And the same goes with Oxford University. The O of Oxford and U of university are capital. Some more examples of common nouns are company and proper noun Wipro, Google, Honda, Ford, Volkswagen, Buick, restaurant, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Domino's. Religion is a common noun, whereas when we are naming the religion, that is Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism. When we are talking about language, then it is a common noun. But when we are naming the languages, then it is a proper noun like English, Hindi, Bengali, Urdu, Italian, French. Now, I want you to focus on the last two rows, that is of days and months. With the days of the week, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, we write it with the first letter capital because they are proper noun. And the same thing goes on with the month as well. Always remember that proper noun are always written with the first letter capitalized. Proper noun begins with capital letters. Common nouns begin with small letters except when they are used to begin a sentence. Proper nouns include the names of persons, buildings, streets, towns, cities, countries, monuments, oceans, rivers, continents, days, months, festivals, subjects, newspapers and magazines. Here goes collective nouns. Collective nouns are names for a group or set of animals or things considered as a single unit. Examples: the committee arrived at the decision together. The audience cheered for the performers loudly. The class maintained complete silence while the principal was in the room. So, collective noun means something like collection, and collective noun means a group or set of animals or things considered as one. There are a lot of collective nouns in English and are very interesting to learn. Let's see some more collective nouns. A mother of crows, a parliament of owls, a bouquet of flowers. Let's look into some more examples. As you can see in the box, in one side it is written a group of, and in the other side is the name given to the collective things. Like a group of players or workers is called team. It can be written likewise, a team of players or a team of workers. A group of employees, staff, a group of students, class, a group of criminals or thieves, gang, a group of soldiers, army, a group of people, crowd, a group of wolves, pack. We also say like this, for bees or locusts, a swarm of bees or a swarm of locusts. Suppose if you have 5 or 6 keys, then you can say a bunch of keys. Even for a collective or collection of grapes, we call it a bunch of grapes. For stars, number of stars, we call constellation of stars. A group of flowers, bouquet. A group of cattle, herd. A group of geese, gaggle. A collection of ship, fleet. A group of stairs, flight. And a group of lions is called a pride. As you can see on the left hand side, a fleet means a collection of ships or vessels. Some more example. An army means a collection of soldiers. A crowd means a collection of people. So let's see some example sentences. The police dispersed the crowd. It means the police dispersed a group of people. The French army was defeated at Waterloo. Waterloo is a battle. So, army means a group of soldiers. A herd of cattle is passing. Herd means a group of cattle. Let's see some more collective nouns. Mob, flock, jury, nation, school, family, parliament, committee. Now, material nouns. What are material nouns? Material nouns refer to materials or substances used to make things. Examples: gold is a precious metal. Plastic is harmful to the environment. The child is selling a boat made of paper. Here, gold, plastic and paper are material noun. As you can see the third sentence. So, what is the boat made up of? The boat is made up of paper. Let's see some more material nouns. Paper, glass, gold, wood, iron, wool. Now, concrete and abstract nouns. What are concrete nouns? Concrete nouns refer to things that we can touch or see. They can be both countable and uncountable. It means that concrete nouns have real physical existence. Let's see some examples. Box, bag, bottle, car, keys, table, milk, oil, butter. So, these things you can touch, see and feel as well. Abstract nouns are the names of feelings and ideas. They are things that can be experienced or felt but not seen or touched. They include feelings, experiences, states, qualities and ideas. So, when we talk about abstract noun, it refers to things which we cannot touch but only feel. It means that those things do not have any physical existence. Like love, hate, pride, comfort, chaos, courage, freedom, truth, belief, adventure, drought. Let's see some example sentence. The determination of the injured gymnast to win the medal won everyone's admiration. So determination and admiration are abstract noun because you can feel how determined the gymnast was to win the medal and thus everyone admired him. You can feel the admiration of the people. So, admiration and determination are abstract nouns. Now, here is an exercise. As you can see the instruction, fill in the blanks with the given collective nouns. So, in the box, some collective nouns are there. You have to choose. The collective nouns are herd, mother, panel, bouquet, pack, orchestra, flock, army, stack, gang, crockery, convoy. So let's see sentence number 1. The dash of cattle moved slowly towards the forest, the herd of cattle. Second, we were fascinated by the dedication with which the orchestra practiced for the concert. Third, a gang of thieves entered the deserted house late at night. So here, gang of thieves, it means a group of thieves. Fourth, an army of ants in the kitchen ate a couple of pastries on a plate. Fifth, a panel of doctors called a meeting to discuss the best line of treatment for the little girl. I was very happy to receive a bouquet of flowers from my friends when I was sick. Ellie took out a dictionary from the huge stack of books kept on the shelf. We were rewarded with the sight of a flock of rare birds on our early morning trek. Flock. We were served traditional cuisine on the colorful ceramic crockery in the forest bungalow. The magician used a pack of cards to show one magic trick after another. We waited in a traffic for a long time for the convoy of the minister's cars to pass. The mother of crows sat in the branches of the mango tree making a racket. That's all for the day. In my next video, I'll be talking about possessive nouns and countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you and have a good day.